Is it possible to have unlimited energy? Stay until the end of the video to find out. Electric regeneration system, assembly. We are going to create a small electrical circuit that feeds back into itself. We will use a 300-watt power inverter. This power inverter is powered by a 12-volt direct current and has an output of 220 volts of alternating current at 50 Hz. The power inverter will transform the voltage from 12 volts direct current to 220 volts alternating current. We will also use a 12 volts direct current lithium battery. This battery has a switch to turn it on and off. The battery has a connector that accepts a charging voltage of 12.6 volts, and it also has a connector that delivers a direct current of 12 volts. This is the power supply we will use to charge the battery. This power supply operates at 220 volts of alternating current and a frequency of 50 Hz, and it has an output connector that provides a direct current of 12 volts. We connect it to a multi-plug power strip. We connect the power inverter to the lithium battery. Now we press this switch to turn on the battery and turn on the power inverter. Now the power inverter will transform the voltage from the lithium battery. We are going to use a voltmeter to measure the output voltage of the power inverter. You can see that we have an output of 220 volts of alternating current. Now we connect the battery charger to the power inverter using a multi-plug power strip. And now we plug the charger's connector into the lithium battery. This way, the battery is powering the inverter receives the battery's voltage and transforms it into 220 volts of alternating current, and with the transformer, we convert it back to 12 volts of direct current to charge the battery. We are also going to connect a light bulb. It is a 220 volt light bulb. It works as expected. The battery powers the inverter. The inverter transforms the current to 220 volts, and it is transformed back to 12 volts to recharge the battery. Plus, we have surplus energy that we use to power the light bulb. Will this infinite energy regeneration system last a long time? Write your opinion in the video comments.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe and like this video to support our channel.